everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps. In here at the Google Drive, you can save your document or your picture or your video. In here you can share your folder with your friend, and you can back up your document or your photo at a Google Drive. It's so pretty simple and good for you for a business, and then for save your photo, your document. So if you want to use a Google Drive, if you want to add your picture, maybe you can click on this one, and then in here you can click on the Google Doc if you want to add a Google Doc, and then in here you can click on the Google Sheet if you want to add a Google Sheet, and then in here you can click on the Google Slide. What is a Google Slide, Google Sheet, and Google Doc? If you have a computer, Google Docs like Microsoft Word, and then Google Sheet like Microsoft Excel, and then a Google Slide like Microsoft PowerPoint, like this. So, and in here you can add the folder. In here you can upload your picture or your document, and then in here you can scan your you can scan the QR code. So that's how to use a Google Drive apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.